Hello and welcome to our channel. My name is Caitlin, and in this video I will show you how to use these new breakable molds in our shop. These molds make it easy to mold chocolate into one piece instead of attaching two pieces together. These molds can be used to make mini breakable chocolates as well as hot cocoa bombs. Let us know in the comments how you would use these molds. These mini breakable treats are perfect for party favors. Add your favorite sprinkle mix or candy for a fun surprise. Continue watching this video to learn how to use these molds and some tips and tricks along the way. Let's get started. Start by melting white candy coating in the microwave using 30-second intervals. Be sure to stir the chocolate between each interval to evenly distribute the heat. If the chocolate is too thick, add 2 to 4 tablespoons of Paramount crystals until it has reached a runny consistency. I will be using this mini cupcake breakable mold. Separate the pieces, then press the top and bottom piece together, making sure to leave the plug out. Place a tipless bag in a tall cup and fill with the melted white candy coating. Cut the end of the bag and pipe about 1 ounce of chocolate into the mold. Replace the plug in the bottom of the mold and rotate and tap the mold to evenly distribute the chocolate. Place the mold in the refrigerator for 1 to 2 minutes to allow the chocolate shell to set. Remove the plug from the bottom and rotate the mold again to create another layer of chocolate. Allow the excess chocolate to drain from the bottom of the mold. Set this aside to set up completely at room temperature. Once the chocolate is set, place in the refrigerator for 15 minutes. Remove from the refrigerator and carefully pull the pieces apart. To decorate this mini unicorn cupcake, use black poppy paint to paint the eyelashes. Then, pipe a small amount of chocolate on top of the frosting section and add a unicorn horn candy sprinkle. Add some melted chocolate around the horn, then immediately add a sprinkle mix. Finally, fill the mold with sprinkles or your favorite candy by using the hole in the cup portion of the cupcake. Place a cupcake paper upside down on the molded chocolate and flip right side up. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, consider subscribing and turning on the notifications. Your support will help us grow our channel and create more videos. Share with us in the comments below what kind of videos you would like to see in the future. And if you'd like to see more videos like this one, check out the chocolate candy coating desserts playlist on our channel. Stay updated on our newest products and check out our video reels by following us on Facebook and Instagram. Our social media links can be found in the description box below. We love to see the treats you create and how you use products from our store, so be sure to tag us in your posts. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in the next video.